Hey, what is going on guys? Tech Enthusiast here, and this is an Antutu Benchmark video between the Xiaomi Mi 8 against the iPhone XS Max. So we have the Snapdragon 845 going up against the A12 Bionic, 6GB of RAM versus 4, and the rest of the specs you can see on the side. Now with that being said, let's get started. So the iPhone XS Max finished first and overall scored a lot higher. As for the breakdown of the categories, the iPhone XS Max scored higher on each of them. I'm not exactly sure what happened with the Mi 8, as in the past it did score higher up to about 29,000 points. The low scores here were probably due to a speed test that was done prior to this benchmark video. One thing to bear in mind is that the Snapdragon 845 CPU is older than the A12 Bionic. The scores will be a lot different when the Snapdragon 855 is available in a few months' time. So that wraps it up for this benchmark video. What did you think? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, then give it a thumbs up. If it is your first time here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up, so make sure you have that bell notification enabled. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching and I will catch up with you in the next video.